Ina-allergy ka rin ba? Yung sa akin kasi parang hindi nawawala.
Hi, good morning ma'am. From Get Clean po ma'am.
Linis na ako ng linis lately because of bed allergies the past few days, but gosh, hindi ko na alam kung anong linis yung gagawin ko para mawala yung allergies ko. Good thing I discovered Get Clean's personalized linis snooze delight for bedrooms. Feeling ko, ito na talaga yung solusyon to say goodbye to the allergies that I got in my bedroom. Without Get Clean, hindi ko malalaman and makikita na grabe na pala talagang alikabok ng kwarto ko. It is super budget friendly and it's perfect for individuals dealing with bedtime allergies. Plus, their cleaners are so professional with their work. Ate Nani and Ate Marie Chris are so friendly and nice, as in sobrang galing nilang maglinis. Lahat na ng sulok-sulok sa kwarto ko nalinis nila. Oh, it's time! Oras na para personalin ang dumi with Get Clean's personalized linis. Gusto mo ng mahimbing na tulog, 'di ba? Personalin mo na yung alikabok sa kwarto mo. I-book na sa Get Clean yan. Your home, your spots, their expertise.